not competitors.
Yes.
And I did a Windows upgrade yesterday night, and now the Wi-Fi is not working. Nope.
Might be please.
It's already 9:09. Okay, so
He's stuck in the traffic, maybe.
yeah. Okay,
Coming from the south side. Which part you coming from?
From Eagle Farm.
That's
But the
good.
GPS says that it's on the other side of the road,
Oh.
which doesn't help either, and you can't see.
Yeah, I don't know why we have no lights, but okay. Veronica, do you want notice? And this is mandatory, okay?
Call was not answered.
Once you select Australia, it's mandatory to go for Brisbane because in other parts they use the DST.
Time setting one, yeah.
Yeah, and we don't use it.
Yes. Yeah, we are here.
So then go next. Okay? Then agree down the bottom,
Yeah.
left. Go next.
Admin 1, 2, 3.
Admin 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
We are going to use, okay?
What is it, sorry?
Admin 1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
Admin
Admin
1, 2, 3
1, 2,
is
3.
password.
Yeah, it's the password. Yeah, like admin here. Okay, let's wait for Kenny. This error, disable,
This error disable.
and then apply.
Hey, Chris. Hey, Chris.
Hey, Chris.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Good, thank you. Do you have a lighter?
I have a lighter.
Yeah.
Is the Pope a Catholic?
Yeah.
I have a lighter.
Okay, whenever you want. Oh, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
When you say so.
Okay.
And we have set and we have set the PoE.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, that's an old
Yes,
switch.
long PoE switch, yeah.
Ah.
Okay.
I thought that we have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have looked at it.
When you select plug and play, you can plug one camera in here and it's going to work right away. It doesn't care about the password, it doesn't care about nothing, okay? It's going to work. We use that function to do takeovers.
It doesn't care about the past.
Okay? So now we are going to breach these ports. We are going to breach these ports. So in the past, if you were selling an intercom device and a camera, you have to sell to your customer one switch, because you cannot plug in here the intercom and the screen. Okay?
Yeah.
But now, because you learn how to bridge, you are going to save money on switches. Okay? You can plug everything on the back part of the MBR. Okay?
So we can plug the intercom.
Is the software. You will never install config tool on your customer's computer. Okay? This is a tool. Every time you close the tool, everything is gone. Okay? So the tool is for you. Just for you. Config tool. Now this is the one that you're going to install in your customer's computer, and this is up to 64 channels. Okay? Up to 64 channels encoding at the same time. So, let's say you have a customer with 5 laundries, okay? He has 5 laundries. And he wants to watch all those cameras from those laundries at the same time. No, not all of them. Just one camera from each laundry. Follow me with this part, okay? I need your full attention with this. He has 5 laundries, 16 channels NVR in each laundry, okay?
Yeah.
He wants to see only one camera from each laundry. Okay, so in total he wants to see 5 cameras from the live view.
Yeah.
Okay? Because we have a limitation of 16 channels of encoding at the same time, he won't be able to see the last streaming. It doesn't matter that he wants to see one camera from each NVR. He cannot play the latest one because he enabled the 16 of this NVR, the 16 of this NVR, and the 16 of this NVR. Okay? That makes sense? Kenny?
Yeah.
So, Matthias, can I have 65 channels? No, 65, it breaks a rule. I have 33 channels in one NVR of 128 channels. Can I see that NVR from Smart PSS Lite? No.
No.
You cannot. Okay? You need to go to DSS Express. Okay? Good news is DSS Express is for free. Up to 64 channels. Okay? For free up to 64 channels. So, if your customer has a 128 channel NVR with 66 cameras,
Yeah.
how many licenses do you need to buy? 66?
Oh, 2.
Good. You need to buy only 2
Yeah.
because you have 64 channels for free. DSS Pro, you have to pay for all the license, but DSS Pro is the software that you're going to use for big projects, okay? Like people counting in the airport, DSS Pro. If you want to have a tailored solution with us, we're going to tailor that solution on DSS Pro. DSS Express is quite basic. DSS Express, you can run DSS Express in a computer with i7, Intel i7, and 32 gigas of RAM. Okay, so it's not a really demanding software. Okay, it's not going to take too many resources from your computer. Okay, now let's answer this part of what's a server-based system. Okay, so server-based means you're going to have a server in the middle with DSS. You're going to have 3 MBR, all of them are going to get connected to DSS using admin password, admin user. And then, if you have the owner, you have human resources. This one, only this one. This one is the one that we call floodlight. So whenever it detects a human or a movement, not a human, a movement, it's going to turn on these white lights that are really powerful. So this is the Android BTH. The one that you were using is the normal BTH. This one is the Android version. The Android version, we can tune up some things. This is a specific firmware that you're going to use to arm and disarm the wireless alarm system. The wireless alarm system is fully wireless. Okay, we are going to cover that during the training. But No, it's not working. If I call from here, no, it's not working because we just move office. But now the idea is, if your customer calls you because they want an alarm system, you can do the cross sales with a CCTV system, an intercom system, and you can show the cameras from here. So you go to camera, go IPC, and you can select one of these cameras that again are not working. Change everything. So maybe in that place they used to have only voice. Now you can add video and you can add the apps using the existing cables with the 2-wire system. This is the modular 2-wire system. This is the lift controller, face recognition and fingerprint recognition and reader, video intercom terminal, access control system. We have 2 access control systems. This is one, this is the old one, and we have the new one that it comes with a web controller. When you are doing access control, you need to save the database somewhere. With these devices, you need to save the database in Smart DSS Lite or DSS Express, DSS Pro, depending on how big it is. In this one, you save the database in the main controller. So you can have one main controller and 19 sub-controllers. It's really good. With the Bluetooth card reader and everything. That's another training that is coming. That's the other training that is coming. It's not coming alarm training. The next training that is coming is access control and networking.
Yep.
That way. It's a really technical training. But yeah. Anyway, you're more than welcome. But it's technical. We're going to touch.
Yeah, not where like you said, not where I'm going to need as much.
Yeah. I don't know if you're quoting or not access control that much. But if you're quoting access control, I'm going to cover the whole thing on access control.
Yeah, I do a little bit, so yeah, I'll have a look at it.
Cool.